Look at the frame, it's completely rotted.
We need to replace this section immediately.
Main wall is 3 meters.
The structural integrity here is completely compromised. We need to reinforce the main beams immediately.
And the foundation on the east side.
The roof structure is completely compromised here. And the integrity of this wall is barely holding up.
We need the scans. We must secure the roof immediately. It's unstable. Check the structural integrity readings.
Understood. We're clearing the main entrance now. Move it to the left.
This view is absolutely stunning, isn't it?
It really is. I feel so refreshed already.
This place is incredible. Look at that view. I know, the architecture is stunning.
We have to get a picture before the light changes.
I can't believe we finally made it. This place is stunning. Absolutely worth the drive. I'm already relaxed.
This view is absolutely breathtaking.
I could stay here forever. It's so peaceful. This view is absolutely breathtaking. I can't believe the colors.
It's perfect. The fire makes it even better.
This view is absolutely breathtaking. I could stay here forever.
This view is absolutely stunning.
I know, it feels so peaceful out here.
This is absolutely perfect, isn't it?
The sound of the fire and the crickets, so relaxing.
This is absolutely stunning, isn't it?
I could stay here forever.
Cheers, everyone, to the perfect night.
It really is stunning out here.
What a perfect way to start the day. So peaceful.
Absolutely, I feel completely refreshed.
This view is absolutely breathtaking, isn't it? It truly is. The best way to start the day.
This is the most peaceful morning I've had in ages.
I know, the air is so fresh up here. And this coffee is amazing.
This place is absolutely stunning.
I know, look at that view. Look at the way the light hits the trees now.
It's perfect. So peaceful.
Look at how the light hits the trees now.
It's beautiful. Truly relaxing.
Did you want another drink before the sun sets?
Maybe just a small one.
It's so peaceful.
It is so peaceful here this afternoon. Yes, the golden light is beautiful.
Could you move that chair over here, darling? The sunset is going to be spectacular tonight.
This is the perfect spot. The colors are incredible already.
This view is absolutely breathtaking.
It really is.
Should we light the fire soon?
Yes, let's wait until the sun fully sets. The view from here is absolutely incredible.
It really is. The colors are breathtaking right now.
This view is absolutely breathtaking.
I could stay here forever.
I could watch this all night. It's absolutely breathtaking.
This view is absolutely breathtaking, isn't it?
Yeah.
I could sit here forever watching the colors change.
The fire makes it perfect.
This view is absolutely breathtaking.
I could too. I could stay here forever.
Look at this view.
It's absolutely breathtaking. Get a photo quickly.
Come sit down, it's beautiful here.
So this is the Eagle House. It's magnificent.
The architecture is stunning. Look at that view.
This place is absolutely stunning.
I know, I could stay here forever.